Alright, so today I'm going to start plumbing in the pieces of the flow monitoring kit here. On the one sensor that I'm going to use on my carbon reactor, I decided to go with these barbed ends instead of the couplings because I am going to be using it on the vinyl tubing there for that. So the only other modification, got everything else I need here. A couple of bushings, some couplers, a section of 2-inch pipe that I had left from one of the many projects I've done. The 2-inch flow monitor here, the bigger one, I'm actually going to use as a return from my sump. The sump's down here. The only vertical run I have is going to be over beside the tank here. It's about 30.5 inches there. Before it goes down and goes through all of the outlets for the tank. So right here is where I'm going to install that flow sensor. So let me get started. First thing I'm going to have to do, of course, is kill the power to the return pump. I could go through the apex and do it that way, but I do have a couple breakout boxes, so I'm just going to ride over to my little physical switcher for the return pump, turn it off. The way the system is set up is that once the power is killed to the return pump, it also kills the power to the skimmer so it doesn't overflow. So we'll take a break real quick, and I have the 2-inch fluid monitor here. Just happen to look down the end of it and kind of see what makes it work. If you blow through it, you can actually see that spinning in there. Pretty cool. This side of the tank is kind of dark, so I do apologize for that. The longer line up top there is exactly 1 1/4 inches down. I'm going to make my cut there. That will allow me to put the 2-inch, 1.5 to 2-inch bushing, sorry, on that. It'll actually slide down to there, 1 1/4 inches, and then I'll just stick that into a coupler, and then onto the end of the 2-inch pipe. Somewhere along here, once I get my measurements right, I'll make a cut in here somewhere, install the flow meter, and then do the same thing on the reverse side. Alright, so after a lot of measuring and a couple bits of cutting, I have both of the sections of pipe on either end of the monitor or flow meter complete. Also picked up some of that Rector Seal 5 they suggested for the pipe threads. So I get this, I'll thread it back together, and then I'll still have to cut that section of pipe back there, and hopefully this completed section fits right in. Alright, so there's the completed section. A little over 30 inches long total. Should fit right in. So there it is, installed, all glued in. I did make sure to get the arrow facing or pointing in the right direction. I almost missed that. But like I say, total is a little over a 30-inch vertical run, so that should be fine before it, like I say, goes to the rest of the tank there. So I'll turn the return pump back on, check for leaks. We should be good to go.